Hello, it's me, M Tedesco 6, also known as Michael Tedesco, and today I'll be showing you my Lego subway car. As you can see, it has the doors open. And right here it says Waverly Substation. Of course, I got that from Wizards of Waverly Place. And as you can see, these are the lights. I put them on both ends. And the wheel, they don't really move really good. Actually they do move. And as you can see, I put this yellow brick right here, because without it, it can't go on. The wheels can't roll. So I put so I used two yellow ones. And now, let's try this side. And now this side. And you see I have a rubber right here. And as you can see, see that's the gas thingy. And I'm gonna just put my top back on.
What you gonna do now, Baker? Come on, Baker!
And this is my new computer. I just want to see. I think it's nice. That's all I have to show. Except for one more thing. Yep. That's all I have to show for today. Bye.